Peace and greetings. This is sponsored by Yachok Organic Herba Mate. I'm going to teach you all how to use Binance in under 10 minutes. Very quick and easy. All you need to know is obviously how to read some charts, understand some basic statistics. So I'm probably going to make a mobile version too. I mainly use the mobile version, although I do enjoy the site version as well. So you come to Binance.com and you make an account, and this is the basic dashboard. Here they have the top volume and the popular trading pairs, and then they have a really nice chart of what's being traded, and you can check out the different markets. Here we have the coins that are being traded with Binance coin, Bitcoin. We got the alt markets, the Ethereum related ones, Ripple, and what have you. And I really like Binance too because they have tons of USD stablecoin markets as well. So they got some for basically almost any pair, even Cardano to USDT. So let's say you made a whole bunch of Cardano and you want to trade it for USD Tether and then send that USD Tether to a different exchange or wallet and exchange that for US dollars. You could do it that way or what have you. So yeah, I really like their chart because you can quickly see which coins are currently booming. The past 24 hours, as you can see, we're currently in a pretty bad crash. There's only so much green, and basically everything crashed the past day or two. And then you could order things by the 24-hour high of prices, and then you can also check to see who has the most volume. So yeah, you could do quite a bit of analysis and scanning really quick and get your own signals if you wanted to. And once again, you can also organize things alphabetically or by the name, alphabetically and by the name of the coin. So once you've made your initial analysis, let's get to trading. So you'll go to exchange and click either the basic or advanced. They call this the basic version because there's still, a lot of different boxes and stuff. You can scroll a bit. And at first, this might seem kind of a lot to take in. I know it was for me. And then they have a more advanced version, which is honestly just like a more clean, simplistic version. As you can see, there's nowhere to scroll, and it just has your charts, the order book, the recent trades from the market, and then it allows you to buy and sell with the limit, market, stop limit. And then down here it shows your open orders, your order history from everything, your trade history, and then it shows available funds that you have as well. So once you get used to it, you'll probably want to use the advanced version. So I'm just going to start with the basic version. So starting from the top, we have Binance coin trading with Bitcoin. This is the base coin, and this is the quote coin. So whatever this is, it's quoted in Bitcoin. So as you could see, one Binance coin is currently being quoted for 0.01796 Bitcoin. And they also show the equivalent price to dollars as well. Then you have the 24-hour change, the different 24-hour highs and lows, and the 24-hour volume. So all of these are very important to just get a good understanding of where we're at. As you can see, we're currently at the lowest point, and the high was a whopping 3,000 stats above. So you could obviously see that we're recently looking at a post-crash. And yeah, the charts are really nice too. They have the candlesticks, of course, and then you can get a depth graph too as well to see the differences between the bids and the spreads. But we usually just use the regular candlesticks, and you can change in between the time as well and go through 1 month ticks. But yeah, I really like the charts. They basically mimic the TradingView charts, and on the website version too, you can check out the TradingView charts as well. But it takes a little bit to load, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, looking at the side, we have the current orders coming in, and you can see the different volumes and amounts that people are wanting. So you have the amount, the total, and this is good to gauge too where the market activity is currently at. If you wanted to place an order, you can place one down here. We have limit orders, so whenever the coin hits a certain price, you'll either buy or sell it at that price. Or you have the market order, and you would just buy it at the current market price. So the current market price is $17,950. So you could either buy it like that, so you instantly get it, and then you can market sell whenever the price is a little bit higher. This is good for people just trying to do quick instant trades, and you can also put in the percentage of how much Bitcoin you have as well. So on the side, you have the same market selector, and once again, you can order things as well too. So let's say I'm currently looking at this, I don't want to bounce over to a different coin. It just instantly loads it all and changes all the different boxes. So you can just do that to and usually I like to scan through and see who's currently at the high. But as you can see, things have completely crashed. And here you could see there are the fees as well. And Binance is cool because you can use Binance coin for your fees. And yeah, it shows you also recent activity. So going over to the pro version, it's just the same as the basic, but everything is just here. So you got your charts. It's a little bit more cleaner, and you got way more indicators. So you can check through the RSI, the MACD, the stochastic RSI, the exponential moving average. So there's a lot you can really do with the pro version, and just the KDJ. So yeah, there's a lot of indicators you can use. You can add a lot of different tools, which is nice too. See that right there. But yeah, so there's a lot you could do with the pro version, and everything's just down here in one box, not anything separate. So you can check your orders. As you can see here, I have a pretty huge order right now, and I'm waiting for that coin to hit a certain price. And once again, there's different types of orders. You also have the stop limit. You can read the info for that as well. But I like this because also if you want to just check another coin, it doesn't have its own box. It just has a floating box. So you can instantly just, let's say I wanted to go to, and you could search to. So here's the coin that I'm currently waiting to sell on. And you can instantly just go to your coin and check everything out. And yeah, it's really nice, really convenient. Once you get used to things, it's pretty straightforward, especially once you start reading candlestick charts. But yeah, I really have no complaints. Once you put in an order, it will come into open orders, and it'll wait for it to be 100% filled, and then you can check your order history. As you can see here, this is where my order was filled and the amount, and if you canceled it, it shows it as well. And then you can check your trading history. going back to wherever. You can also do certain dates. You can order the coin pair and all that type of stuff, and you can check your funds too as well. And then whenever you want to send stuff, you can go to funds, withdrawal. Say I wanted to withdraw Bitcoin. It shows you your total balance and available balance. So just make sure you have the address and you send what you need to send. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Especially if you wanted to deposit. As you can see, it shows your trading history for the deposits. And you use this so you can get your Bitcoin address. Like if any of you wanted to deposit any Bitcoin, you just get the address, or you could show the code and scan it with your device. But yeah, you'll just copy the address and then go to whatever wallet you have, and yeah, put in the coin, and then you can instantly just start trading. Start selling your Bitcoin and get on the road. But yeah, that's been a quick video on basically how to trade your cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I feel like I covered basically everything. There's a few little things you can alter here, like decimal places and whatnot, and you'll find your own groove. You'll find which tools to use. I mean, it's amazing how many free tools and indicators and technical analysis tools they give you on Binance for free. So yeah, just play around with it. Binance is definitely a great site to learn just everything you need to know. Within about really short time, I pretty much mastered all this stuff. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Thank you. Happy trading.